Sup guys, it's Zappy, and today I'm going to be playing Minecraft. And it's going to be my first walkthrough. It's going to be pretty nice. Ow, my head. Let's get my head comfortable. It's lying down. Okay, let's go on to this. Wait, this better be... Okay, good. Nope, I'm just gonna keep that world. No. YouTube survival. Oops. Subby. Create world. Okay, let's see on how good Italian is. I'm gonna start off with finding a cave. Huh. Okay. Let's break some wood. Yeah. Let's break some wood. Yeah. Let's break some wood. Okay, just broke that one. Mm-hmm. 5 pieces of wood right now. This is a big day for me. Oh, let's go to that cave really quick. If there's anything that's not a cave, never mind. Let's go get the sugarcane then. You guys are probably telling me, yeah, you just placed wood. Zappy just placed wood. Okay, let's get that out of my hand because I don't want to place anything else. Okay. I don't know where to go first. Oh, glitch. Okay. What else should I find on this? Bum bum ba-dum ba-dum ba-dum. I might know where I'm gonna live for this night in Minecraft. Oh gosh, this. Let's craft one of those. Craft some sticks. Okay, let's put that there. Let's create this for now. Okay, let's see what else I can get. Okay, so this is where I'm gonna live for now. Maybe I might live here for the rest of the Minecraft, Minecraft series what I'm doing. I might name this Adventures with Zappy in the series. Or just Minecraft PE, just boring. If you guys give me a like and stuff, I will do lots more seasons, actually. I need lots of likes and stuff. And shout out to my YouTube friend, Funnyfail. 2244, something like that. I think. Sorry, Funnyfail, if I didn't get that correct. He's actually my best friend in school, one of my good friends in school. So, yeah, this is gonna be my bedroom for now. This is gonna be where all my crafting stuff is. And then from right here, I'm going to make sure that nothing can jump down and stuff. They have to, if they jump down, they will die. Okay, there we go. This is a very bad base, as you can tell. I just want to protect this for now. Make sure nothing can get up for this Minecraft night. It's only gonna be me and this tree. Okay, see you later, guys, in this awesome episode. Goodbye.